will get Gopal Krishna Agarwal to respond. No, we'll hear all sides. We will, no. Are you also, no, 1 second. What is undoubtable?
Sure.
First of all, I must tell you that I greatly admire your optimism. I must say, if only Ratan Sharda is coming in already. Don't we admire his optimism, Ratan Sharda? We greatly admire his optimism.
I too.
A round of applause for you.
I too admire the optimism of the BJP people.
I appreciate your optimism.
Thank you, Dr. Goswami.
Yes.
Sir, first of all,
Okay, I'll let Gopal Krishna Agarwal respond. I'll come in a bit later.
No, just a second. Dr. Goswami, I don't have words to tell my feeling.
Now let me respond to the question. You asked,
I'm thankful to you.
that what is the repercussions of
But
these
you have
elections
provoked
and
Mr.
impact on
Agarwal
the
so
national
much, you must let him at least speak.
Yeah. So the thing is, Arnab, you asked what will be the impact of these 5 elections. I take 3 important issues, flag them off. One thing is the ideological confusion in Congress with regard to secularism is completely unheard, has been completely exposed. That's one thing. Their connect with ISF in Bengal and their connect with Muslim League in Kerala has completely exposed their ideological confusion and their false notion of secularism and following the communal politics. That is one thing. Second important thing is in this election, at the national level, the communists will be completely wiped off from the country. They will not have even a single state. With Kerala gone, that
Sunit
will be
Chopra
a
must come in, though he's not on the
wiped out.
windows.
And the third point, Arnab, is important is
Sunit Chopra must come in.
BJP will put in a strong footprint in South. BJP's footprint in South will grow extensively after Karnataka. We will have Puducherry. We have an NDA government with AIADMK in Tamil Nadu. And in Kerala, we are going to perform very well. So in the South, BJP will gain tremendous footprint. These are the 3 takeaways on the national scenario. I must point out from these 5 elections. Elections are an important issue, but the writing on the wall is very clear.
Please, Sunit Chopra. Please, Sunit Chopra. He said something about you. You're not responding.
Clear.
I think today, one thing is that I'll tell you, Sunit Chopra. You know, in Bengal, even the committed left voters have felt so disillusioned. Because you are tying up with parties accused of being communal on the one hand,
RSS,
and with parties who massacred your cadre on the other.
Are they secular? The RSS, are they secular?
You don't know even the word secular.
Kanchan Gupta or Ratan Sharda should open up the debate.
They are the half-dead.
For Sumit Chopra, the only thing secularism is in words.
Destroy this country.
They align with ISF, which is a complete.
Who are you? A person
Abbas
like you
Siddiqui,
has no credibility.
just tell me a single
Chaddi
word
wala.
of nationalism coming out of it.
You are a
Abbas
Chaddi wala.
Siddiqui. Chaddi wala, what do you mean?
I think one thing, Kanchan Gupta is also on the debate. Kanchan da.
Hi everyone, I'm Sucharita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.